Namaskar, my name is Atul Satya Kaushik and I'm making this video specially for my brothers and sisters in the profession of Chartered Accountancy. Today is 1st of July. Today is the day which is celebrated as International Chartered Accountants Day. This is the day which belongs to you, which belongs to us. This is also the day which reminds this world as to how great, how valuable and how respectable, how noble this profession of Chartered Accountancy is. On this day, I want to remind you all and everybody else around me of the 4 words which are the opening words of the motto which our institute, our ICAI has adopted many years ago. This shlok is from Hathopanishad, which was suggested to us by Shri Guru Aurobindo, and of course we adopted it. These first 4 words of the shlok are Ya Esh Supteshu Jagriti. That means the one who stays awake when everyone else sleeps. वो व्यक्ति जो तब जागता है जब बाकी सब सो रहे होते हैं, या वो व्यक्ति जो तब भी जाग रहा होता है जब वो फिजिकली सो रहा होता है. Let this world know on this auspicious day that we stay awake when you sleep, not because of the money we probably get, not because of the clientele that we look at, not because of big offices, big practices, only because we have adopted service, ethics, and highest standard of professional services as our Swadharma. The only thing which keeps us going, which should keep us going, is our service attitude, our ability, our willingness, and our desire to be partners in building a financial stable community, a financially strong country. Those who are looking at being a part of this profession, you have made a great choice already. My only suggestion to you all is work hard, work as hard as you can, work passionately, and continue with the passion even after you qualify, because the road after that will definitely be more challenging, but more exciting and more fulfilling at the same time. I also urge all my friends and colleagues who are in practice to continue working passionately with a burning desire to create world-class CA firms which provide amazing services to their clients, which not only look at their own growth, but also look at the growth of their clients, their associates, those who have decided to walk along. There are plethora of opportunities now. Today, the world is an open playground. There's so many opportunities. I'm not going in detail, but there are amazing opportunities. All you need to know is keep your eyes and ears open, grab those opportunities, but again, not with the purpose of anything else, but only with the purpose of serving in a multi-dimensional ecosystem, serving more people, serving more passionately, and serving with a bigger idea. Once again, a very, very happy CA Day, International CA Day to all of you. आज का दिन जम के पार्टी कर लो. कल तो काम किया ही था, कल वापस से भी काम करना है. आज के दिन relax, be kind on yourself, and tomorrow once again start working as passionately as ever. Thank you so much. Take a very good care of yourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye.